Good morning, kids. How are you, everyone? So, kids, as you all know, tomorrow is your GK oral exam. Okay, so that's why today we are going to revise the things that I am going to ask you tomorrow. मैं कल आपसे क्या पूछूंगी ये मैं आपको आज बता देती हूँ. So, as we revised 10 questions yesterday, remember that? So, the same questions I am going to ask you in your GK oral exam. Okay, kids? So the first question is, what is your name? Okay, so you all have to answer like, my name is. In which class do you study? I study in class LKG. आपको full sentence बोलना है, then only you will get the marks. I study in class LKG. What is the name of your school? My school name is Venus Public School. What is the name of your city? My city name is Gwalior. Okay. Now next question is, name any 5 fruits. You all have to tell me the names of any 5 fruits that are whatever you like. So you have to tell me the 5 fruits name. Okay. Name any 5 vegetables. Okay. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Okay, on 15th August. Who is known as Makhan Chor? Lord Krishna. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. And what do we use to throw garbage? Dustbin. Okay, kids, so these questions you all have to revise that I am going to ask you today one more time. Okay, now let's move on to the GK topics. So as I told you, मैं जीके में आपसे 5 हेल्दी हैबिट्स ज़रूर पूछूंगी. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. यू ऑल हैव टू टेल मी एनी 5 हेल्दी हैबिट्स. वॉश योर हैंड्स, टेक बाथ डेली, ब्रश योर टीथ, wear neat and clean clothes, clean your ears with soft buds, sleep on time, sleep for 8 hours a day, leave it. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, मैं आप लोग easy लर्न करें. Wash your hands, take bath daily, brush your teeth, cut your nails, eat fresh food, wear neat and clean clothes, drink plenty of water, wipe your nose with handkerchief. Okay, so you can tell me any 5 healthy habits that you can learn. Okay, next thing मैं आपसे पूछूंगी क्लासरूम में आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी. यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड देन टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट. ओके, दिस इज ब्लैक बोर्ड, ग्लोब, चार्ट, डस्टबिन, बुक शेल्फ, नोटबुक, लंच बॉक्स, डेस्क, पेंसिल, इरेजर, स्टूडेंट्स, स्केल, पेन, डस्टर, इंक पॉट, टीचर, चेयर, टेबल. ओके, सो इसमें से मैं आपको कुछ भी दिखा सकती हूँ while taking your test and you have to identify the particular object. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गई 2 things, 5 healthy habits, classroom objects, and I am going to ask you about some helpers also. Okay, like who teach us? Teacher. Who brings letter? Postman. मैं आपको बता देती हूँ जो मैं पूछूंगी. टीचर, postman, doctor. Who treat us when we fall sick? Doctor. Who stitches our clothes? Tailor. Okay, और मैं पूछूंगी आपसे, who catches the thieves? Policeman. Who fixes your taps? Plumber. And what else I am going to ask you? Who cuts your hair? Barber. And who makes your shoes? Cobbler. ओके, अमंग दीज आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू. मैं आपको इनमें से जो मैंने टिक किए हैं इनमें से मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. टीचर, डॉक्टर, पोस्टमैन, एंड वन मोर थिंग, मैं आपसे पिक्चर आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी करा सकती हूँ. ठीक है, विच विल बी ईजी फॉर यू. ओके, एंड ओनली दिस मच आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू. म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. ओके, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आप मुझे कोई भी 5 म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बता सकते हैं, लाइक तबला, ढोलक, फ्लूट, पियानो, गिटार. They are very easy. Okay, so let's revise the musical instruments 3, 4, 5 times. Tabla, हारमोनियम, सितार, clarinet, piano, flute, ढोलक, trumpet, violin, guitar. One more time. तबला, हारमोनियम, सितार, clarinet, piano, flute, trumpet, violin, ढोलक, guitar. Okay kids, so these are the things that I am going to ask you in GK oral test, and in today's remedy class we will do the revision of these things one more time. Okay kids, now let's move on to the practice of English and Maths worksheet. So kids, yesterday we have finished the identification of letters up to N. Okay, so today we are going to revise O and P. O for owl, orange, onion, ostrich. Owl, orange, onion, ostrich. Oval, oil, octopus. Okay, remember that. Owl, orange, onion, ostrich, octopus, and oval shape. Okay, next is P. P से तो बहुत सारे pictures हैं. You can tell me so many pictures. Pear, peas, parrot, pen, pencil. Pear, peas, parrot, pen, pencil, plants, perfume, penguin, peacock. Okay, so many things are there that you can learn. Okay kids, now we will do the practice of worksheet number 7. This is our last worksheet. Okay, so again we are going to do the practice of writing A to P. Okay, one time in this and one time in the notebook. Okay, so let's do the practice. A, B for balloon, C for clock, D for duck, E for engine, F for flower, G for grapes, H for horse, I for an igloo, J for an jacket, K for keyboard, L for leaf, M for muskmelon, N for nut, O for an octopus, and P for peacock. Okay kids, so this is how you have to do the practice of writing A to P. जैसे कि मैम भी लिखती हैं वर्कशीट में, तो you all have to do the same. Okay, now this is the matching. That is very easy. We have to match the small cursive letter with capital one along with their pictures. Okay, so this is B, and B for banana. So let's match banana and capital B. Okay, P for pen, and this is capital P. J for jacket, and that is capital J. Okay, N for net, and this is net, and F for fan, and this is F. Okay kids, so this is how you have to perform your worksheet number 7. Okay kids, now let's move on to the maths. So kids, today we are going to do the perform worksheet number 6 and 7 both. We are going to finish today. Very easy. Okay, so number name, do the correction, cross the number 6. Okay, so you have to write the number name. Yesterday also we have revised O N E 1, T W O 2, T H R double E 3, F O U R 4, and F I V E. 5. Okay, and this is the counting from 21 to 50, that also we have to perform. So 21, 21, 22, 23, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Okay, so let's revise. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Next is 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Okay, next is 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so you have to write the counting while speaking it. Okay, now the next. Now what we have to do, tick the fat objects and cross the thin objects. Very easy. So we have to tick the objects which are fat, मतलब जो चीज़ें मोटी हैं उनको टिक करना है, और जो थिन है, जो पतली हैं, उनको क्रॉस करना है. ओके, सो पोटैटो इज फैट और चिली इज फैट. सो पोटैटो इज फैट एंड चिली इज थिन. दिस रॉड इज थिन एंड बैट इज फैट. दिस कैंडल इज थिन एंड दिस कैंडल इज फैट. Brinjal is fat and carrot is thin. Okay, now matching. You have to match the shapes with their coordinates. So the circle is this, square is this, and triangle is this. Hanger. Okay kids, so this is how you all have to perform the English and Maths worksheets. So see you in today's remedial class with the revision of GK. Okay kids, till then everyone take care of yourself and enjoy your time. Bye bye.